Are you employed?
I'm not right now, man.
So how are you supporting 7 children? What are their dates of birth?
October 20th. What was it?
I mean, you're doing a question with me. I wasn't there.
I don't know the years ago, but I can tell y'all their birthdays.
Well, they need them. Kids are baby goat.
Baby goats.
That's the definition of a kid. It's a baby goat. And I think all...
The man is in court and doesn't have a job. He says he has 7 kids. The judge asks how he supports them.
Sexes are equal, but at the same time, there's just something odd about a man not getting a job to support 7 children and the mothers getting jobs to support 7 children.
He doesn't remember all their birth years, just their birthdays. The judge points out that kids are baby goats, but here she means children.
And are you Mr. Parker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we are in a middle of a jury trial. Jury has been selected but not sworn in yet. So, Mr. Parker, you are aware that you have a right to a jury trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you wish to continue to proceed with the jury trial, or do you wish to enter a plea?
The judge says men should also work to support their kids. This man might go to jail for up to 10 years.
And have you had opportunity to discuss entering a plea with your attorney as opposed to proceeding with the jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you're charged with felon in possession of a firearm? That's a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement,
The judge explains his rights in court. He can have a trial or choose to enter a plea.
and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Mr. Parker, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement,
No, ma'am.
which there is no plea bargain agreement? You understand that?
The man says he understands the charges. The judge tells him he could go to prison for 2 to 10 years.
Yes, ma'am.
You are pleading open to the court. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you understand that the court will make a decision on whether or not to grant your application and also whether or not to send you to prison? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that, do you still wish to proceed? Outside your agreement or the request, because there is no agreement, the request from the state is that your supervision be for a term of 2 years, there'll be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Again, did you understand that this is a plea that's open to the court? Those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to consider those recommendations. Did you understand?
There's no plea deal. The court will decide what to do. The state suggests 2 years of supervision and community service.
Yes, ma'am.
In the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict, ma'am.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Judge, state offer statement for one and all.
Your Honor, we've had an opportunity to go over that in its entirety. No objections. It's in minutes.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
The judge confirms the man pleads no contest. She checks that he understands everything clearly.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. With regards to his application for deferred adjudication, the court will hear argument. State,
Your Honor, we're recommending for adjudication due to the nature of the case, it is one where we felt that it's a
The court finds enough evidence to say he is guilty. The judge will now consider what to do next.
defense.
If I may, Your Honor, I got to know Mr. Parker through this period getting ready for trial. He is a convicted felon. He pled during the pandemic year when he was in custody for a 1244, and understands that he's not supposed to be around weapons or anything like that. When we chose to go forward, he heard that you took off plea deadline, and so we understand that we are pleading open to the court.
The state recommends giving him another chance. They think he might do better with help.
Getting to know Mr. Parker, his outward demeanor is very quiet and stoic, but once I got to know him, he's intelligent, he's caring, and he's a hard worker. But he has 7 children.